In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer a subscription in Xero to another organization or person. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And on the top left corner, I want you to click on your profile name, and there is a drop-down menu. Click the subscription and billing. This is where you manage your plan and billing details. Inside the subscription and billing page, look for the three dots icon. Click on it to open more options. And you will notice that you have the option to request transfer. Requesting a subscriptions transfer is useful if you don't have the necessary permissions and your role is limited, or maybe someone else needs to take ownership of the subscription. All I have to do is provide the first and last name, enter the email address of the person who will take over the subscription, and send the transfer request. Click the request transfer button. Remember, you are still responsible for the subscription, including charges and the support, until the new subscriber accepts the transfer request. Once they accept, the status will change and they will officially take over billing and the subscription management. And that's it. That's how you transfer a Xero subscription to another organization or user. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.